In fire alarm monitoring system, we implement backend using Node.js. It is runtime environment that executes JavaScript code outside of a browser, such as a server. Then Express is a web application framework for Node.js. It allows us to easily create a web server. Then Express.json allows us to pass JSON because server is sending data as JSON. Then server is listening on port 5000. Then so once we have that, we can start the server by giving command as node-man server. Then database is connected to the we also, these are the routers, and these are the models of the sensor and user. Also in the controllers, inside the controllers we have the service controllers. Then we can run the web client using npm start command. This web client is using built using React. Then also web client get the update every 40 seconds. Then we can run web client by using npm start command, and this is the output is here. Then all the details in the database are shown here, fire sensors details. Also we can simulate fire sensor app to update the REST API every 30 seconds. We then run that timer.java files. Then it's every 30 seconds it updates the REST API. Then let's see, within the 40 seconds web client update every 40 seconds. Then we have to wait to see see the output, whether it is changed or not. It's update. Then every 30 seconds sensor app will update the REST API. Then the REST every 4 seconds web client get the update from the REST API. Then we can run fire sensor server. Then say fire sensor server is a RMI server. RMI server get update the each 5 seconds by calling the REST API. Then also we have RMI client. Then as I say that RMI server call the REST API every 5 seconds to get the up to date. Then RMI client file also we run. Then we can run the UI login. This is the admin login GUI. Then if we run that GUI file, we can see the GUI for the admin login page. Then admin can log into the system by providing the email and password. Also, if admin can register the system, then log in by using conditionals. Then after login, we can show the monitoring system, and it shows the alerts also when CO2 level or smoke level goes to up. Then all the sensors are shown in this table. Then every 30 seconds desktop client refresh the sensor details. Then we can see this is the sensor updaters, if alerts when CO2 level or smoke level greater than 5. Then web client also, say both web client and desktop client, we can see the same details. Then also admin can add new sensors by providing the sensor ID, flow number and the room number. Then admin save the sensor details by clicking the save button. Then it displays sensor successfully created. Then updated sensor can see in web client as well as the desktop client. Then when RMI server will send emails and messages when CO2 level goes up, CO2 and smoke level goes up. And we can see here when CO2 level or smoke level goes up, then the email is sent by the RMI server. These emails are sent by the RMI server. It's each 5 seconds is get to update. Then when the CO2 level goes up, CO2 level or smoke level goes up, then send the emails. Then all the details are updated in here. So admin can edit the details by choosing the desired sensor by clicking the table row. Then we can update the details, and it shows the update details alert. Then also we cannot create real message service, therefore SMS service. Therefore, when the CO2 level goes up, RMS will call to the SMS service. Then SMS service will print that messages in the console, in the server console. This is our fire alarm monitoring system. And the client also, you can see the client also update every 40 seconds each time.